In this guide, we'll walk you through 5 reliable methods on how to transfer photos from iPhone to itel. Part 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to itel in one click. If you want to transfer all your photos in the simplest and most time-efficient way, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is the most recommended solution. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Connect both your iPhone and itel phone to the computer via USB cables. Step 2. Launch the software and make sure iPhone is displayed as the source device while itel is the destination device. If not, click Flip to switch. Step 3. Select photos from the data categories shown in the middle panel. Then click Start Copy to begin transferring photos from iPhone to itel. Part 2. How to move photos from iPhone to itel using a USB cable. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. On the computer, open this PC and locate the Apple iPhone device. Step 3. Navigate to Internal Storage DSIM folder and copy the desired photos to a folder on your computer. Step 4. Disconnect the iPhone and connect the itel phone to the computer. Step 5. Open the internal storage folder of the itel phone and paste the photos you just saved. Step 6. Once done, you can view the photos in the itel phone's gallery. Part 3. How to copy photos from iPhone to itel with Google Photos. If you prefer a wireless transfer option, Google Photos is an excellent choice. Step 1. On your iPhone, install and open the Google Photos app. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Turn on the backup and sync option to start uploading your photos to Google Cloud. Step 4. Once the upload is complete, open Google Photos on your itel phone. Step 5. Sign in with the same Google account, and all your uploaded photos will appear automatically. Part 4. How to send photos from iPhone to itel via Send Anywhere. If you just want to quickly send a few photos to an itel phone, Send Anywhere is a very handy wireless transfer app. Step 1. Install Send Anywhere on both your iPhone and itel phones. Step 2. Open the app on your iPhone and select the photos you want to send. Step 3. Tap Send, and you'll see a 6-digit key or QR code appear. Step 4. On your itel device, open Send Anywhere and tap Receive. Step 5. Enter the 6-digit key or scan the QR code to start transferring photos. Part 5. How to sync photos from iPhone to itel through email. For sending only a few pictures, you can use email as a lightweight method to transfer photos from iPhone to itel. Though not suitable for large files, it's easy and accessible for anyone. Step 1. On your iPhone, open the Photos app and select the pictures you want to transfer. Step 2. Tap the share icon and choose Mail. Step 3. Enter your email address and send the message to yourself. Step 4. On your itel phone, open your email inbox and download the attached photos.